What's up, guys? BMP Outdoors here with another video. Today I got our mystery tackle box. Before we open it, and this one hasn't been opened yet. Before I open it, I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you want to go check these guys out. They're pretty freaking cool. And yeah. Also, one more thing. This month we got the multi-species one. So this is gonna have like catfish, sunfish, bluegill, bass, trout, everything in it, and it's the elite one. So it's gonna be pretty cool. It's a maze box, and yeah. So here we go. Open it. All right, it's open. Excited to see what's in. Ooh, it looks like some juicy stuff in there. Okay, so we got like these marshmallow things. They're for looks like carp and catfish. So you can see. They're vanilla prepared dough bait. So I'm gonna open it and see how they feel. This stuff. Ooh, it's like yeah, it's exactly like dough. Smells like those marshmallow baits from when you use for trout. Oh, but we have here's all the list of things in here. Already I see $23. Oh, that's a pretty cool little sticker. I'm gonna put that on my hat later. Let's see. We got the trigger the bait, minnow, and 1 inch, 12 pieces. These look like for, I don't know, maybe bluegill? Yeah, bluegill and sunfish. So that's pretty cool. Oh, this is like this is kind of cool. It's a Weston swim bait. That's really cool, actually. It has like frog legs, like topwater frog. Oh, I think it's a topwater, actually. Yeah, it's a topwater. That's pretty cool. It's like a frog. That is really cool. That's really cool. So I'm gonna put that to our side. We got a booyah, like a plopper bait. Looks like. Does not look too bad. This clear with like a little tail, fish fly tail. Wow, that is huge. That is freaking big. It's a double plopper. It's pretty cool. 5 3/4 of an inch and 5/8 ounces. That's pretty big for a buzzbait. Jeez. Well, that's pretty freaking cool, honestly. Impulse. What are these for? Sorry. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe with some bass? I don't know. Yeah, I think they're for bass, but I'm not for sure. We'll find out. We got Impulse. They're like little plastics. That's pretty cool. Like little squids. I'm gonna open these and see what they feel like. Whoa. The heck? That's pretty freaking weird. That's pretty freaking cool right there. There's a lot of cool things in this box. Sunfish, looks like. Yeah. some big bite baits. Oh, I like big bite baits. They're pretty cool. These probably look like for some tiny sunfish. It's pretty cool. Like little Seikos, pretty much. Yeah, with curly tails up here. Well, that's pretty cool. We got some jig heads, some really nice jig heads actually. Look at those. That's pretty cool right there. I like that green word in there. We got some, looks like, I don't know, creature baits? Wow, look, those are pretty nice. Oh, pretty nice. Ooh, I like those. Those are gonna be catching some big freaking bass. But what are these? These are like bait fish teas. Weston. That looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna open those because they're freaking hard. But this, I think, is the coolest bait I've seen. That's pretty cool. It's like a top water. So cool. But that's pretty much all. This is the multi-species wood, so it has a lot of different stuff in there. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Make sure to check these guys out. I'll leave them the link in the description. And make sure to put hashtag MTB in the comment section if you watch to the end. So, see you guys in the next video.